If you are not enjoying the custom ROM experience on your Xiaomi or a Redmi phone and you want to go back to MIUI, I am going to show you an easy way to do that. It's a 5-step process that will just take 15 to 30 minutes of your time. And one important thing to note here is that this process requires a PC, a Xiaomi or a Redmi phone with Snapdragon processor that's running on any custom ROM, a compatible USB cable, and a couple of very important softwares. And please make sure to take a complete backup because the internal storage is going to be deleted. For this particular video, I'll be using Redmi Note 10 Pro that's running on the latest version of Project Elixir. So, let's get started. Step number 1 is to download a bunch of files on your PC, and we're going to start one by one. First one would be the Mi Flash tool. You can visit xiaomiflashtool.com and download the latest version of the software. The second package would be the official ROM for your phone, and you can simply use Google search for this. Type your device name followed by firmware and hit enter. You should be able to see xiaomifirmwareupdater.com at the top. Open the link and you are going to see different results based on your device. But if your phone is the same as mine, you are going to see the exact same results here. You might also see multiple versions of the ROM that are based on different regions. So you have to choose the one that applies to you. I will go with the latest stable version and the region would be India for me. You should also select the latest stable version based on your region because that's the best and the safest thing to do. Now you can click on download and you should get two different options here. One is the recovery ROM with the .zip extension and the other is the fastboot ROM with .tdz extension. And we require the fastboot version here. So I'll just download the fastboot version of the ROM. Step number 2 is to extract all the downloaded files because all of them should be in a compressed form. First, we will extract Mi Flash tool and second, we will extract the official ROM. To keep things simple and organized, I would recommend making a separate folder where you keep all the files and subfolders that are required for this process. Step number 3 is very important. So the official ROM package we just extracted, you have to copy the whole folder and paste it in the users folder on your C drive. Now copying this folder into C drive is because when you flash the default ROM using Mi Flash tool, it might create a problem if there is any space between the folder address link and you might end up getting an error message. Step number 4 is the actual step where you can get ready to start flashing the official ROM. Double click on Mi Flash tool to open it and it might ask you to install some drivers, so please do that first. Hey, sorry to interrupt in between. So I was trying to install the drivers using the latest version of Mi Flash tool and initially it got stuck, then I tried to cancel it. Now I am getting this error message again and again. So if you are facing the same issue, I would recommend using the older version of Mi Flash tool, 2019 version to be more specific. I will also show you how the tool looks like and how to proceed with that particular tool. After downloading the 2019 version of Mi Flash tool, please extract it, then open the extracted folder followed by opening the application. If you get a pop-up about installing the drivers, please close it because if the fastboot drivers are already present on your PC, then this is not going to create any problem. But if your PC does not have the drivers, then you might need to install them manually. I'll place some links in the video description that should help you install these drivers. You can then go ahead and restart your phone. Press and hold the volume down key and the power button for a couple of seconds until you see the fastboot screen. Then you can connect the phone to your PC. Your device might not get detected by Mi Flash tool in the beginning, so please click on refresh and it should appear in the list. Now click on select, choose the extracted ROM package folder that should be in your C drive users folder. Now the very important thing that you need to be aware of is the 3 options that are present at the bottom right on Mi Flash tool. Clean all will flash the ROM, delete everything but the bootloader will remain unlocked. Save user data will flash the ROM but won't format your data, and the bootloader will also remain unlocked. Clean all and lock will delete all the data and will lock the bootloader as well. So you need to choose the preferred option here. I don't want to lock the bootloader, so I will just choose the clean all option. Step 5 is the final step in this process and it's a bit time consuming, so you have to be patient here. When everything is set, you can click on flash, sit back and relax because it might take around 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes more. And when it is done, your phone will reboot automatically and you can go ahead and set up the device normally. Let's talk about some of the common errors that you might face here. I know this is a very simple process, but sometimes things can be unpredictable. So I thought to make you aware of the common errors and the possible fixes. First, the device might not connect properly due to issues like missing drivers, a damaged cable, or using the wrong USB port. Second, errors during flashing could occur if the official ROM folder is placed incorrectly on your PC. Third, using the wrong version of the flashing tool might cause problems. It is best to use the latest version, but sometimes older versions work better. Fourth, using the incorrect ROM package for your phone could lead to errors. Lastly, if you encounter any other issues not mentioned, you can let me know in the comments. And that was the video, guys. Now, if you want to flash a custom ROM on your Xiaomi or a Redmi phone, you can watch any of the videos appearing on your screen right now. And if this is your first time on this channel, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.